The UNI-T UTi260B infrared thermal imager is a state-of-the-art tool designed for professionals who require precise and efficient thermal imaging for electrical maintenance, PCB circuit analysis, and various other applications. Available on Aliexpress, this thermal camera offers exceptional performance and user-friendly features, making it an indispensable asset for technicians and engineers. Ensures high-quality infrared resolution, providing clear and detailed thermal images. This allows users to accurately detect temperature variations and pinpoint issues with ease. Built to withstand tough working conditions, ensuring durability and long-term reliability. Designed for comfortable use over extended periods, minimizing user fatigue during prolonged tasks. Offers a variety of color palettes to choose from, enhancing image contrast and detail based on specific application needs. Provides a detailed thermal condition of different locations, enabling thorough analysis and more informed judgments. Minimizes judgment errors and reduces labor costs by quickly identifying poor heat dissipation and hidden trouble points. Includes PC software for detailed data analysis and report generation, aiding in documentation and further analysis of thermal data. The UNI-T UTi260B is ideal for a wide range of applications, including PCB circuit analysis, detects overheating components and ensures proper thermal management. Electrical maintenance, identifies faulty connections, overloaded circuits, and other electrical issues. Building inspections, locates insulation problems, water leaks, and other structural issues. Mechanical inspections, monitors the thermal performance of machinery and identifies potential failures. The UNI-T UTi260B infrared thermal imager from Aliexpress is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool designed to enhance efficiency and accuracy in thermal imaging tasks. With its superior infrared resolution, rugged design, and advanced features like real-time image transmission and a buzzer alarm, it is well-suited for professionals in electrical maintenance, PCB circuit analysis, and various other fields.